Well, hello traders and investors. I'm LA Little and this is your daily NeoTA wrap. Take a look at these markets, doing it from a neoclassical perspective each time, asking ourselves what happened today. What does it tell us about the coming ones? We do a show every day, 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday, broadcast at or before 10 o'clock Eastern Time, archived on YouTube and under the channel LA Little. If we look at what happened today, you can see that it was another day of up, and we've had that over and over again. We got the push in Europe, DAX up 1.6%, FTSE tax on another half, and over in ours, it was the NASDAQ, right? You had big tech earnings out of Microsoft that really got the tech juice. That's the first time we had a big cap, one of the big cap threes running higher. Got Intel after the bell, not doing as well. eBay did. And, it still looks like this market's going to try to move higher. Let's take a look at the charts. We'll start with the S&P 500. And what we're going to see here is another push to another high. So you come up, you consolidate, right? Now you're trying to get the push. Now there is an ABCD structure, right? So the little consolidation, now the push out here, right? There's a little ABCD structure that's still in place, right? That hasn't been completed. And we're kind of trying to stretch on up there to it now. And it's not that much farther to go. That's going to be true here. It's going to be true on all the indexes. The only one that already finished was the Russell. If you look at the Russell actually still in that consolidation. It had already finished that ABCD structure on the way up. So the ABCD structure was to here, it's there, consolidating now, hasn't moved out of that range yet. Tells me that we still have consolidation taking place. You just have the other indexes that were trailing trying to catch up and finish up their structures. And talking about catching up, the catch up today was the NDX. That ABCD structure is also in place, and this push today takes it right up to the top, almost done as well. So we've got the push almost to the marks, right? Multiple days up in a row after the first leg. Now you got the second leg. Now you're moving to the top and just about to finish off those projections. Once they're done, usually what you're going to see is a consolidation at best, some sort of a pullback at worst, and I expect that's probably what we're going to see. But so far, there's still nothing in the cards here to tell you this market's going to turn. There's not a need to look at much else. I think that's the biggest story that's out there. You had a sell-off in gold. You had a sell-off in bonds. You had a push in equities. You got the ECB tomorrow. Will we get more news out of Europe that pushes Europe higher, or will this be the end of the run for now? That's the real question tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised to see some sort of a pop to start the day, finish off the projections, and then finally see the consolidation / pullback. Have a great one. Thanks for joining me. Take care. Good night.